Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Wings, I love wings, but I thought, let's not fry them, let's bake them. So I made these baked hot chicken wings and they turned out incredible. You're gonna love these, so let me walk you through this and let's get started. So let's begin by making our sauce, and to do this I'm going to combine 3/4 of a cup of sweet chili sauce, and you can buy this in just about any grocery store, with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of minced ginger, and you can grate it if you don't have the mince, but I just like the mince, it's so much more convenient. And of course, a dusting of pepper. A few drops of sriracha, just for a bit of extra kick. And heat, of course. Take my spoon and give this a mix. Next up, what I've got here is 1.5 pounds or 0.67 kilos of chicken wings. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and add these to a bowl. Wing night. I love wing night. Add in half the sauce. And you just want half here because you want to reserve the other half for once the wings are baked. Then just kind of mix these up until the wings are completely coated with the sauce. You wouldn't believe this smells so good, guys. Then we're going to place the wings on a rack lined with some parchment paper, and what this does, it makes it a little extra crispy because there's no grease. But if you don't have the rack, just go ahead and add it to the baking tray with parchment paper. And you kind of want these evenly spaced, so I'm just going to kind of go down the side so they're not touching and the rack's not too crowded. And any excess sauce you have, you can just kind of spread it over the top. Before we cook the dish, I'd like to extend an invitation to visit our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll put a link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video we release. Alright, these are going to a 425 Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius preheated oven for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to flip them part way and then let them bake for another 15 minutes. After about 30 minutes, our wings are beautifully done. Just look at this. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these to a bowl. Add the remaining sauce over the top. Give them a toss so they're fully coated in that delicious goodness. Oh, these look so good. I'm going to grab these up and serve them up on a platter. For the finishing touches, I'm going to go ahead and garnish these up with some sesame seeds, some chili flakes just for a bit of extra heat. And these garnishings, they're completely optional. You can do what you like, but this is my choice. And of course, one of my all-time favorites, some green onions, just to add that green touch to it. I think these are going to be so good. And there you have it, guys, our baked hot chicken wings. Okay, before our taste test, of course, wings wouldn't be wings without a nice cold beer in a frosted mug. Okay, let's give these a taste test. Guys, these are incredible. The chicken is done perfectly. The spices, it's got that heat, and it's got that sweetness from the sweet chili sauce. I could just eat these all day. You've got to try these. So for the full scoop on this recipe and many more great chicken recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of super stuff over there. Thanks for subscribing. Cheers, and see you next time.